Good afternoon, everyone. I'm making a special request on Facebook Live. मैं Facebook Live में सबको एक विनती कर रहा हूँ. आप लोग जो भी है दिल्ली में या दिल्ली के आसपास भी हैं, if you are near about Delhi or in and around Delhi, Gurgaon, maybe some in Chandigarh, Dehradun, कल in Jantar Mantar, David Mura Singh has taken a pedal yatra from Agartala all the way to Delhi, 2,500 kilometers, to highlight the problems of the indigenous people of Tripura. बहुत लोग बोलते हैं कि हमें दूसरा त्रिपुरा नहीं बनना है. Many people from Nagaland, Manipur, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Mizoram, they say they don't want to be another Tripura. I ask all the students from there also, please come and see what is happening to Tripura, because जो आज त्रिपुरा में हुआ है वो आपके स्टेट में भी हो सकता है. So कल I will be there in Jantar Mantar at between 1 o'clock to 5 o'clock to express solidarity. There will be no political program, there will be no political flag, there will be no party slogans. We will only stand up as indigenous people of Tripura to raise our demand and to highlight the problem of illegal infiltration from Bangladesh, our constitutional rights not being given to us, and our political demands for a better tomorrow for our people. But no, it will not be under Tipra Motha or any other party. It will be as indigenous people. So मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ सबको, तिपरासा हो, स्टूडेंट्स हो, जो नॉन तिपरासा भी हो, आप भी अपने दोस्त से बात करके 5 मिनट के लिए आइए. बहुत लोग अपने दुकान में भी टैक्सी में जाते हैं. एक आदमी ने 2500 किलोमीटर पैदल से अपने स्टेट त्रिपुरा से दिल्ली पैदल आया है. उसका भी एक सैक्रिफाइस है. प्लीज अप्रिशिएट दैट. मैं तो खुद रहूंगा. मैं आप सबको आई अपील टू एवरीवन थ्रू दिस फेसबुक मैसेज, इवन इफ यू आर अ नागा, मीजो, खासी, गारो, जयंतिया, हालाम, रांगखोल, कुकी, मैतई, एनीवन, अरुणाचली, निशी, गालो, आदि, अपतानी, whatever, please come. And Rabha, whatever, Hajong, come and show solidarity with the indigenous people of Tripura at Jantar Mantar between 1 o'clock to 5 o'clock. Please come for 5 minutes also. It will mean a lot to us, to me, to everyone. Last, here is David Mura Singh with me. I am sitting with him. I have personally flown down here just to express solidarity with him. And ये है David Mura Singh.